We are performing a SAP Security Risk Assessment on our demo system ECC. For this, we are selecting the category System Security, which includes patch management, system configuration, authorization and privileges, user management, RFC communication, document access, OS communication, logging, transport management, and network communication. Next, we enter our subsystem credentials and click on Scan. After a few minutes, we get our results back. For each test case, we have a documentation with the description, the risk, how to reproduce, how to mitigate, and external references. We also get details about all the findings of the test case. For example, for the missing SAP security nodes, we have one finding. But here we see two. And the number one is an exemption we exempted in the subsystem directly. We can also hide the exemptions. We can also export our results. We can choose between a CSV and a JSON for each test case and get a PowerPoint and a Word document. After a few seconds, we get our export back. It contains the results. For each test case, we have a CSV with the detailed findings. We have the value lists which were applied to our test cases. We have our PowerPoint management summary. Which shows a high-level overview about the findings. And we have a Word report. The Word report contains all details about the scan. We have an overview, the executed summary, the finding categories, and the test case results. The test case results show for each test case which data sources were used, which value lists were applied, if any, and the findings. Additionally, we get an issue description, the business risk, how to reproduce, and how to mitigate.